Today we're making creamy Tuscan garlic butter pork medallions with orzo. A one-pan dinner that's so good you might just retire your takeout app. In under 30 minutes you're getting juicy pork, creamy orzo, sun-dried tomatoes, and spinach, all dressed up in garlicky butter goodness. Stick around because this is weeknight luxury without the drama. First, let's get our star ready, the pork tenderloin. Trim off that silver skin because nobody wants to chew on something that feels like a balloon ribbon. Slice it into 1-inch medallions. If one end is thinner, cut those pieces a little thicker so everything cooks evenly. Now, season your medallions with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning like you mean it. In a hot skillet, a splash of olive oil goes in, followed by our pork. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and just cooked through. Transfer them to a plate, but don't you dare wipe that pan. That's flavor land. Lower the heat, melt in a couple tablespoons of butter, and toss in minced garlic. Let that sizzle until it smells like you just moved into a Tuscan villa. Spoon that garlicky butter over the pork to keep it happy while we work on the orzo. Same pan or a clean one if you are feeling bougie. 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a cup of orzo. Toast it for a minute or two. This wakes up its nutty side. Pour in chicken broth, bring it to a boil, then cover and simmer for about 10 minutes until most of the liquid is gone. Now we get creamy. In goes heavy cream, sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh spinach. Stir until the spinach wilts, then add Parmesan. Season to taste because bland food is a crime. To serve, spoon the creamy orzo onto plates, top with those golden pork medallions, and drizzle with every last drop of that garlic butter. That, my friends, is how you turn Tuesday night into a little Italian vacation. Mini soul snack. Remember, you can't rush a good thing, whether it's a recipe, a dream, or your own growth. Give it time, stir it with care, and trust the process. For the full written recipe, measurements, and tips, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Now go make this and watch your dinner table get real quiet, the good kind of quiet.